Hello dear friend. Welcome to English listening practice. To improve your oral expression, I will speak slowly with simple words so as to permit you to understand English orally. By listening to me you will little by little understand English better and you will see the right pronunciations. You just need to come sometimes listen and even repeat words after me if you want. English is not difficult, but the problem is that when English is spoken too fast it can make you confused. Don't worry, because with this channel you will speak English soon by slowly practicing and many other techniques. So we will take a subject and talk about that. What do you think of discipline? Or even better, the discipline of English learning. Discipline is courage. Discipline is consistency. But most of us think discipline is to have motivation to do something every day. It is not about to be the most courageous person of the world. The discipline is just to do what you did yesterday today and to do what you did today tomorrow and repeat this same plan again and again. So, English discipline is your ability to never abandon. Your determination to say that practice makes perfect and always trying to be the best. You can do it and you will do it. It is a little difficult, but you will speak that language. You will learn and master English and you will speak more better than a native. So never give up. Just take 30 minutes every day to watch videos, to learn new words and to practice to get better and then perfect. Your motivation is not what defines your success but your ability to always repeat the same routine. Motivated or not, you do what you have to do is the real discipline. And the most of the time our brain says just one, no. There is no just one day. Because after one day it will say one more. I am not saying that you mustn't have break, but you must precise what is your time of break. During the time of break there is no work and during the time of work there is no break. Discipline is following your plan or following regret. Stay focused and never be weak. Zero weakness. Stay focused.